LEEUW Limited, established in 1983, is a specialist solar shading company, set up with exactly that purpose in mind. And within the company we have two products for this. One is Reflex-Rol UK and the other one is Mermet UK, two subdivisions. Reflex-Rol UK is a company that deals with bespoke systems, made to measure. It's not off the shelf. We consult with architects consult with us. We make things happen where other companies quite often can't or won't do it. A good example of one of the challenges we had was a skylight in a photographer's studio. Horizontal, triangular in shape, and the artist needed full control over the light levels in his studio.
And this particular custom-made blind, at the click of a button, I can open it to any position I want. I can close it to any position I want, thus allowing me to control the exact light level for the subject that I'm photographing. It's a fantastic product, and it's so easy to use, which is important to me, and obviously reliability. I don't want something that's going to let me down.
A good example is starting to work together with an architect and the client at the early stages of design. That way we can design the entire assembly of the hardware system, of what makes the blind work, into the fabric of the building.
My husband and I discussed with the architects about the clean look of the shades that we're going to put in here. The architect was able to work with Reflex-Rol and to come along and make it so that it is invisible, and when the blinds are up you really don't see them at all, and so it works extremely well.
We were contacted by a firm of architects. The project was their own office, where they had glare and heat issues. Different offices within their building needed different solutions.
It became immediately apparent that working late afternoon and in the sunshine was a problem for our architects. Whilst they enjoyed the brightness, the screens were showing a lot of glare. Reflex-Rol was the perfect opportunity for us to maintain light and an airy atmosphere and good views out of the window, but cut that glare to an absolute minimum.
One particular challenge we were faced with a few years ago was a picture gallery in a stately home. The picture gallery is full of paintings and other artifacts of high value, and we needed to protect that from ultraviolet, because that makes it fade. Everybody said it couldn't be done. We designed it, prototyped it, we delivered the product.
From a conservation point of view, being able to control the lux levels in the picture gallery has made a huge difference. The awnings are amazing because we only have to have them open when the house is open, and once it's closed we can close them again, and it's brought down our lux levels considerably.
A big part of what we do and have built up a worldwide name with is air traffic control towers. Shading, glare control, daylight control in air traffic control towers. This was developed some 15, 17 years ago, and we now do towers from Mexico to Vietnam, the Gobi Desert even, to Mozambique, and most towers around Europe have our system in it. Mermet UK is it's a woven fabric, woven in France. We are the wholesalers for the UK and Ireland.
LEEUW Limited established with Merme UK 20 years ago. Here in the UK, we promote and distribute the fabrics to the specifying trade with the intention of selling the fabrics to the blind makers, the digital printers and the tensile structure manufacturers. We put the complete deliveries into our racks here, from which we will draw a complete roll, multiple rolls, or just a cut length of one of the fabrics to go out on a next day delivery right across the UK. The fabrics will be used because of their strengths, their durability, their range of colours and their transparency, and the fact they don't burn. They work.
What will the future hold? Well, we don't really know. The LEEUW Limited has faced challenges in the past, as you will have seen. And we very much look forward to meeting new challenges in the future. Because that's what we're here for, and that's what we thrive on.